sunset, sunrise.
Yeah, that might still be.
I guess I forgot to cut out the light.
Alright, so we're having breakfast this morning. I'm having I think this is the chocolate chip one. Yeah, protein cookie with a mix of hot chocolate and 2 packets of Folgers and whatever was left of the Element. Mom's having some green tea and a meat stick. And maybe some nuts. Sky's gorgeous this morning. Wind calmed down.
If I can do it better over there. Don't want to get my tracking pole. Okay.
I'll be okay. I don't have a feeling like I gotta go.
Let's do this first. Oh, I've read it. It's going to go.
Mom. Oh. Sally, right here. Come here, right here. Sally. Picture. That's a good picture. That's a good picture of her. With her morning face. Ain't you gonna go after Mama? You gonna go after Mama? So, I don't know if I actually showed the shelter last night or not, but you got a picnic table, you got upper and lower deck, but that upper deck don't look like it's used very often. And then you had a privy. I'll be right back. Privy's up here behind the shelter to the left. And it's not quite as nice as the one at Etna Springs, where we stayed the night before. Because it actually had like the plastic stuff in the roof to, at least during the day, it would be kind of light inside. This one's kind of dark. But it's better than having no privy. So, pretty basic. Anyway, we'll hit the trail and get to the car. Go ahead and start walking.
Yeah. I'm sure you will catch up.
Last night. And I think, from what I've seen in other YouTube, there used to be you got this little kind of standing area, and then the bear pole, little campfire ring. But this is tall, like, for us short people. We were kind of sitting here last night. To get down over there, I kind of had to sit and slide. But anyway, had a nice shelter. Kept us dry last night. And I think, from what I've seen in other YouTube videos, there used to be a flamingo in this little wreath thing. So I don't know what happened to the flamingo, shelter's namesake. But anyway, we're on the trail. I mean, the trail just goes like right by it and goes down how we came up last night. But slept great last night. It was warm. Definitely feel like it's warmer to sleep with your head in the shelter as opposed to out. You're a little more protected from the wind and stuff. But anyway, because I ended up having to take my down jacket off last night because it was so warm. Mom says she slept pretty good, but she's still sore from her fall yesterday. So we are bailing. We're ending today. And plus there was more storms and stuff coming in tonight. And we really didn't want to deal with a wet tent and hiking in rain tomorrow. So we're just going to end with just, while we're still enjoying it, in a nice little uphill right out the gate. This little view is just at the top of this first climb. 0.08 roughly. It may go up and around that way.
I don't see one down there, do you?
No, I don't think that's it. But see, this is one of those places a blaze would be nice. There's no blaze and you got have a road there. Yeah, but see, you need it back here where there's an intersection. That's a good little warm up, ain't it?
Now just a minute.
That's a good little warm up, ain't it?
Okay, now just a minute. Now here's the sign.
Yeah. That's it. 1-3. Well, Mom, how'd you like it? Other than falling.
It's been nice. I especially like the section we did yesterday.
Yeah, that Mars Rock and
Okay.
High Rocks and look, mud puddles. But yeah, I mean, yesterday was just, I mean, the whole section is really pretty, but the most bang for your buck is the second day from Adina to here, because you just got all those views and stuff.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, yesterday was just, I mean, the whole section is really pretty, but the most bang for your buck.
It seems like we're getting on again.
Huh?
I said, which seems like we're getting, I figured out for the towers and stuff.
What? What?
Where they can get up more.
Oh,
was
those
aggy.
roads, seen some.
I guess we go late. We're down there.
It's just really pretty. Even this is really pretty. This bit up here on the ridge. This poor gate here has seen some better days. Huh.
On the left, I guess.
Let's see. I don't think we'd be going up the hill. I don't think we'd be going up the hill. So again, this is like one of those confusing spots where, you know, you got a ton of blazes over there, but then you look everywhere else and there's no, oh, right there's one on that pole. Right here. Go straight. You'll see it when you come over here. Boy, it's not as clear as it was yesterday, is it?
Well, to your daddy.
I found I'll note how I found a shell casing yesterday at the shelter too. Man.
Yes, sir, you did. You put this thing, they could put a market somewhere on there.
Or at least put just a little post there at that, right there at that intersection. Sorry, we're being a little bit critical.
Well, I think it could be.
It could be marked a little bit, especially where you've got so many roads veering off back there. Oh, look at this view.
There is a misty something.
I just wonder if it just ain't these low clouds. I don't think it's actually raining. Cause there's no. Oh, look at the sun hitting the hills over there.
Oh, yeah.
I just wonder if it just ain't these low clouds. I don't think it's actually raining. Cause there's no. Oh, look at the sun hitting the hills over there.
Oh, wow. He's probably wondering about that.
Wonder if that's some sort of TV, like broadcasting.
Oh, there's a thing on there.
Oh, there is. I think it's just like warning. Oh, what's that up there?
Oh, that's almost like a house flood. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, you're on top of it.
Oh, yeah, there's the main road. There's the main road. So you can see the sun kind of hitting over there too.
No green there, ain't you?
It might be.
If it knew, he would have had it.
Oh yeah. See, there's the main road. There's the main road. So you can see the sun kind of hitting over there too. This is a really pretty area up here. Huh. If anybody knows the history of that building up there on the hill, be interested to know. Oh, I wonder if this was the driveway up to it right here on the... Be interested to know. Downhill all the way to the car because it looks like it's going to go. I think it's downhill because I mean that parking area is just right down there. Oh yeah, it's no trespassing. Well, that's unfortunate. Oh well. Oh man, I just
They'll probably have all kinds of bargains.
just look at this view.
This could slide easy. I know it's going to be a road walk.
No trespassing signs.
Oh, yeah.
I don't worry, I'll just run in and get it when you just give me the No.
Yeah, we're just under a half mile.
I see the car.
If it wasn't even half a mile.
Yeah, it's me also. Stay here. Sally, over here. So I was trying to figure out where that little shepherd section, yeah, start, you know, go. I'm assuming that maybe it's up there. I may walk up there just to see if I can see where the trail starts, because that'd be where we would end up starting when we come back and we're willing. What? See what I can see. Trip there. Watch your foot in there. Are we crossing the road, Sally? Yeah. You see the car? You see the car? Is that the car down there? I know. And then like I take the pack off and then she'll start shaking. Sally's not even, she's like, no, I'm walking over here. She just completely abandoned us. She's like, I'm taking the short way to the car. Y'all are screwing around. Where's the car at, Sally? Find it. Go get the car. Go get the car. Oh gosh. So I am gonna walk up there after I dump my pack and just see where. Oh, I see the blaze up there. Up there on the end of that fence. I'm thinking it turns into a trail at the top of that hill there. Saying there's one there. So to the parking area was 0.73. Only 98 feet of elevation gain. Most of that was just that first hill past the shelter. And there is a bathroom here, but it was dirty the other day because it looked like somebody left the garbage or something had gotten the garbage. I don't know if it's any better today or not. Nope, it ain't any better. So there's garbage thrown everywhere. Anyway, all right, that's it. We did it. We'll see y'all next time.
Oh, you're not going to go?